That was mine. That was mine.
That one?
Yeah. I think that's
Good job. Hi guys, you working?
Hello. Alright, just pass me. I'm not coming on. That's my magazine. That's my magazine. Coming on. Oh, there's that one.
Oh, that's my bag.
No one can carry my bag.
Jellyfish, a jellyfish. Arms up, wrists together, elbows together, a jellyfish, a jellyfish, a jellyfish, a jellyfish, a jellyfish, a jellyfish. Arms up, wrists together, elbows together, knees together, a jellyfish, a jellyfish, a jellyfish, a jellyfish. Did we have at lunch today?
There's so many of them.
Now take a picture.
Wait, what? There's so many categories.
That was Ian. Catch one hand.
You get another level. Does everyone see that? Ava? You see your whorls of branches above you?
Yes.
Yeah, so one of these whorls of branches grows every year about, and as you can see, the lower ones fall off because they don't get any sun anymore, right? You can see the ones that are dying down there. They don't get any sun. And the safe tree is oak. And go.
The idea of wildfires. And I don't mean sit there and attack someone because they think wildfires are cool.
Aww.
Or we want to talk about the scientific things behind wildfires. So starting with you, tell me either a good or bad thing about a wildfire.
Wildfires are good because they get rid of bad vegetation, so more.
They can also, unfortunately, you said they can hurt wildlife.
And their habitat.
And their habitats. So those are some good and bad things about wildfires. And honestly, that's the best way to look at certain things with an unbiased opinion, because then we get the facts.
Up close views.
You got it. So if you need something from your assisting surgeon,
Guys, they look a lot like dumplings.
hey now, so take a look at what's going on here.
Guys, can you sit back?
Yep.
Oh, this is sick.
Yeah. So you can see here, what's going to be up here? What's
Heart.
Heart and lungs. Excellent. And what is protecting our heart and lungs?
Our muscles.
Muscles and ribs. Yeah, BioGuard. Now there's a little bit of protein in there, like the blood, not strict protein, but protein-ish. The blood compounds are going to discolor it just a little bit, so it will be the color of blood because some of those solids remained. And that is probably going to spread as we cut.
Sorry.
Alright, where's your optic nerve? Where'd you think it was?
Touch it.
That's an optic nerve right
Got
here.
it.
We got it.
Where?
Right there. Yeah.
This thing?
Yeah. We are.
Wait.
Yep.
Yes.
Take off your gloves. Take off your gloves.
Isn't working.
You're welcome.
You're
welcome.
What are you doing? Not carefully. Slowly.
Good God, you literally went like right into it.
I feel it too because like I'm a negative. No, but I don't feel it.
I told you, man, you were really. I can't wait to get you up there because you are so positive. I'm quite sure.
Not.
Can I just do it right away?
Yeah, go for it.
Just go like this?
Yeah.
Ready, set.
Don't go fast.
You got this. You got this.
ball.
And today in field group, we went into a waterfall.
Awesome. You're up.
I'm Tim. Hi, Tim. I could ride an animal to school. It would be an elephant because they're pretty cool.
Yep.
And then my positive share is in field group, we built a really cool fort.
Take that plate. Take that plate and slip. You take that plate and slip.
Fish to jellyfish. Arms up. Arms up. Wrists together. Wrists together. Elbows together. Elbows together. Knees together. Knees together. Toes together. Toes together. Butt out. Butt out. Turn around. Turn around. Fish to jellyfish. To jellyfish. A jellyfish. A jellyfish. A jellyfish.
A one, a two. You all know what to do. I say, ooh, ah, York report. I say, ooh, ah, York report. Shaky, 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 ooh, ah, York report. I say, ooh, ah, York report.
Observation to just notice what happens when the paper itself is gray.
Turns back.
Parts are blue.
And we want this to happen to the dog. I mean, you might. Please don't.
It's different. Use it and
Dip it in. 70%. All right. So,
I would first dip. I would first.
experiment number 2. We've changed one variable. We are now going to dip it.
Don't let that get in your eyes.
Does that look sufficiently so? Dipped in 70% isopropyl alcohol.
Oh, that's so much cooler. I'm gonna try 90. That's so sick. Oh, just
I think
slower.
the place where it isn't, it's still alcohol. It wasn't. It's still alcohol. Where there wasn't.
Oops, so we're not going to grab it stuff, okay?
It's gotta explode. Shake it. You have to shake it. Yeah, you have to shake it.
You have to shake it.
Ha!
Okay. All right. That seemed like it was about.
Okay, every once in a while, somebody with a busted thumb or injury, and the thumb doesn't do well because of scar tissue, but in you, the thumb is slightly more attractive because it's a little thicker. Didn't we mention hair?
Yeah.
Do you want to do the test? You have to lean forward, just let your hair touch it, not your body. So you're going to put your feet behind you. First of all, do we predict hair is going to be a conductor?
Put it forward.
Yeah, let it go forward. A conductor or a resistor? What do you think?
It's gonna be kind of conductor.
What's a resistor?
An insulator.
Yeah, insulator.
Okay.
Rory, where are you?
All right. Okay, go ahead. Does it make any difference to the plasma ball?